Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage IT assets with ServiceNow, beginner guide step by step clearly. In this guide, we will explore how to manage IT assets using ServiceNow. First, log in to your ServiceNow instance. Navigate to the Application Navigator on the left side of the screen. Enter Asset in the Filter Navigator to find the Asset Management options. Select Asset Management from the drop-down menu. You will see an overview of all assets currently managed in your system. To add a new asset, click on the Create New button. Fill in the necessary details, including the asset name, type, and model. Customize any additional fields depending on your organization's needs. Save the new asset entry to add it to your database. To update an existing asset, locate it in the asset list. Click on the asset you want to edit. Make the necessary changes to any fields that require updates. For tracking Asset Lifecycle, navigate to the Asset Lifecycle section. This section provides insights into the status of each asset. You can view details such as procurement dates, warranty status, and disposal information. To report on asset data, go to the Reports section in the Application Navigator. Create a new report by clicking on the Create Report button. Select the asset attribute you want to analyze. Utilize various visualization options to represent your data effectively. Once you are satisfied with the report, save it for future reference. Integrating asset management with other ITSM processes is essential. Ensure that your asset management is aligned with incident management and change management. To do this, navigate to the integration settings in ServiceNow. Here, you can enable automatic updates between asset management and other services. Regularly review your asset database for accuracy and completeness. Set reminders to audit your assets on a periodic basis. Utilize ServiceNow's dashboard features to monitor key performance indicators related to asset management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.